Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off Siri in your iPhone in iOS 26 update. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your settings and here scroll down to find the option Siri. Here it is, click it. First of all, you have to turn off this option, allow Siri when it's locked. Just click the toggle and it will be turned off. And after then go to talk to Siri option here. And here you have to turn off two option. Just select this option, uh, off, click it, and then select this option, press side button for Siri. Just turn this off, disable it, and select turn off series. And now your Siri is permanently turned off. You can turn on your Siri again by repeating the same method. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I will catch you guys in the next one.